Hey guys, welcome back to a new video customer series. Today in this video, we will discuss about HTML tables. Okay guys, so let's understand first that what are HTML tables guys. Now here you can see that HTML tables allows us to arrange data into rows and columns. Means we can arrange our data into a relation also called table. Okay guys. Now don't confuse the word relation here. Basically in a computer language, the table is also called a relation. Okay. So simply tables allows us to arrange our data into a proper form. Okay, into a proper form. So by this we can find our data in less than a minute. Okay, in less than a minute. By doing this, we can find our data into less than a minute. Okay, because the data in a proper form. Now let's understand the tables guy with an example. Suppose I have three students. The first one is Adam, and the second one is Tom, and the third one is James. And the Adam studies in 5th class, Tom studies in 7th class, and James studies in 12th class. And each student has roll number. Okay guys, this one, and this one. Now here I have three students data, Adam, Tom, and James, and I want to arrange that data into rows and columns. Means I want to arrange the data into a table form. So we will consider a serial number. Okay guys, I will give a serial number to each student. Suppose I will give 1 to Adam, and I will give second to Tom, and I gave third number to James. Okay guys. Now you can see here the table is given here and the data is arranged into table form relation. Okay, now I have arranged my data into a table, and see the horizontal rows are rows. Okay, the horizontal lines are called rows, and the vertical lines are called columns. This is your column attributes. The first attribute is serial number, the second attribute is name, the third attribute is class, and the fourth attribute is roll number. As much as you want, you can use. Okay guys, suppose you want to use 10 attributes, so you will use 10 attributes here. Now here I have used 4 attributes. Okay, serial number, name, class, roll number, and I have made 3 rows, first, second, and third. And in 3 rows, I have arranged my data of students. Okay, Adam, Tom, and James. Okay. Now by doing this proper manner, I will find my data easily. That suppose I want to find James, so I have given a serial number to James 3. So whenever I would like to find James, so I will put a query in my database 3. Okay, so the James will come to my. So if I don't arrange my data in a table form, so I will not recognize my data as easily as I want. Okay, suppose I give a serial number 3 to James, and so James studies in class 12, and the James roll number is this. Okay, so simply tables provides a proper manner to arrange the data. So by using this, we can arrange the data in our web pages. Now guys, let's understand that how to make tables in our web pages by using syntax. Now see, this is your complete structure of table tag. Okay, this is your opening tag and this is your closing tag. So the table starts from table tag, table. Okay, and between them you can create your rows. Okay, and between the table you can create your rows. Table row, this is your starting tag, and this is your closing tag of table row, and this is your second table row, and this is your second table row closing. Okay, in between the table tag you can create as many as you want. You can create rows as many as you want. Okay, now here I have made 2 rows, the first one and the second one. Okay, now see, in table row, the first one is table heading and the second one is also, and all have table heading because we have first attributes here. See, the first column contains only attributes: serial number, names, class, roll number. So due to this, we have only table headings in first table row. Okay, first, second, and third, fourth, as many as you want, you can create. Now in second row, we have table data. In first table row, we have table headings, means table attributes, and in second row, we have table data. Okay, you see here the table data, first, second, and third. The first row contains table attribute, and other rows contains only table data. So the first one is your table attribute, and the second one is your table data. So, and in continuous form, you can only create table data. So guys, let's practical that how to make tables. Now see here guys, here is a table. Okay, it has 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay, and this is your attributes name, column attributes. Okay, the first column is serial number, the second is name, and the third is class, and the fourth one is roll number. Okay, so now I wanted to make a table similar like this. Okay, so let's start that how to make a table like this. Okay, so first of all, I have to introduce a table tag here, and in between table tag I will use table row. Okay, table row, this is your table row, and in first table row we will use table heading. Okay, and that is also known as column attribute. Okay, this is your table heading. The first table heading is your serial number. Okay, and the second one is your name, and the third one is your class, and the fourth one is your roll number. Now this is your first row. Okay guys, see, this is your first row is completed here. Now let's see how it looks like. This is your saved file here, open it. See, this is your first row, serial number, name, class, roll number. Okay, now I have to introduce that table data here. The first row is completed here. Now we have to input our data. The first one is this, the third one is this, and the third one is fourth one. Okay, now see how to input data. Now I will use second row here. Okay, now in second row we will use table data. Okay, TD. We will use TD tag. Okay, table data tag. So the first table data is serial number, and the second table data is your name. Okay, suppose it is Auza, and the third table data is your class, that is 8th class. Okay, and now your fourth table data is your roll number. Okay, suppose 4587. So your second row is completed here. Now see how it looks like. See, the first row is completed here. The first serial number, name Auza, class 8, roll number. Okay, now guys, I have to make second row here, similar like this, okay, similar like this. Simply copy this code to save our time and paste it here and change the data, okay. Serial number is 2. Let's put a name different here, suppose Tom, okay, and the class is 9th and the roll number is 4, it's 5, okay. Now this is your third row completed here, and similarly the fourth row also. Change the table data here also. Third, change the name here also. Let's take James, okay. Put it 7th, okay, and give it a different roll number, 5654, okay. Now see how it looks like. Now this is your complete table here. That looks like this, okay. This is your first attribute here, and this is your first attribute here also, and this is your data, first, second and third, first, second and third. Now I would like to make a border here also. Till now we have understand that how to make a table in our HTML, okay. Okay, till now we have understand that how to make a table and how to use tags in our HTML language to make tables, okay. This is your basic table tag that starts here and ends here, okay, and between them we will use table rows, okay. Between them we will use table rows, the first table, the second table row and the fourth, okay. We have used here 4 table rows, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and between table rows we will use table data and table heading. We have only used table heading only once, and after we will use table data tag in continuous form, okay. Now let's see that how to make a border here like this. Suppose this is your border, this is, okay, the horizontal lines and the vertical lines, okay. So I would like to make a horizontal and vertical lines to separate our data. That looks pretty good by doing this, okay. Now see how to do that. So to do this, I will introduce here a new tag for you, okay. This is your style tag, okay. This is your style tag. No. Basically the style tag is used to decorate our text, okay. The style tags contains CSS language, as you know guys. Basically the CSS language is used to decorate our HTML elements, okay guys. We will study in deep about CSS language in further lectures, okay guys. But now I will consider only a little bit concept about CSS. That, okay, so don't confuse about that what is CSS. I will teach you in further lectures, okay. Now see how to make borders in a table by using this. See guys, I have 3 elements here. The first one is table, and the third one is table row, and the third one is table heading, and the fourth one is table data, okay guys. So now I will consider all elements here. The first one is table. Let's separate this by comma, and the second one is table row, and the third one is table heading guys, and the fourth one is table data, okay guys. Now use curly brackets here guys. Now I am using a property here, that is border, okay, border here, okay guys. And give it a border like 2 pixels, so like a solid black. Okay guys, now see guys how it looks like. Something's wrong, nothing is working here, something okay guys, I have done a mistake here guys. Cut these elements from here, okay, and make a space here. Okay, now see, not working. Use separate commas. Okay, now let's see again. Not working. What happened here? Okay guys, the mistake is here that I have separate pixel from 2. Okay, now it's corrected here. Okay, now see. Okay, this is your table, looks like similar like this, but not looking like 100%. Okay, so now I have to collapse the better from here. Only I would consider only single border here. Okay, because there is 2 borders. Okay, so I will consider only 1 border. So I will use collapse property here to collapse the border. Okay, see, the second property is collapse border. See, border collapse, BOR, border collapse, CO. Okay guys, collapse. Now see, the water will come in single form. Okay, see, now it looks like similar this. Okay, now I want to make a space from left side. Okay, so I will use spreading property here, PADD. Okay, padding I will consider 10 pixels. Okay, now see, it is 10 now. See this and see this. Now we understand that how to make tables in our HTML language, and we understand also a little bit concept of about CSS language. Okay, but in our further lectures we will use CSS also, at how to use CSS in our HTML language to style our HTML elements. Okay, so don't worry about it. Firstly we will cover our HTML elements. Okay, then after we will cover CSS language. Now, okay guys, so goodbye, take care.